going on, guys? This video is the top 10 menswear essentials video that every guy should have. But before I start, I just want to let you guys know, in the midst of me editing and getting the videos from my camera off of my SD card to my computer, 3 of the beginning videos got deleted, unfortunately. So I didn't feel like putting on the same clothes and redressing up. So I'm just going to redo the 3 videos right here, starting now. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Quan Copeland here, and we are back with another YouTube video.
I'm now watching my TV.
Number 1 on my list for the top 10 men's essentials every guy should have is a nice pair of blue jeans. A nice pair of blue jeans that can pair with any outfit, any item that you have. You can never go wrong with just a regular pair of pants, regular pair of blue jeans. You can get you some nice fitted ones from Forever 21 or Express, whichever one you prefer. But I always say that any individual really should have a nice pair of their favorite blue jeans that they can wear and pair with any outfit. The second item on my list you should also have a pair of black pants. You can never go wrong with black pants, just like I said with blue jean pants. The thing is, you want to have multiple pairs of pants that are comfortable and fitted for you, but that can also match and pair with any of your outfits or items that you like to dress up in. I also wasn't able to do the 10th item because I had forgot. But the 10th item that every guy should have is just a plain white t-shirt. A plain white t-shirt that you can wear under your regular outfit, or just an undergarment that you can wear so that you feel comfortable. I know some people don't just like to throw on a shirt or like to throw on their outfit without having some type of wife beater, tank top, t-shirt, whichever. So the 10th and final item is a t-shirt. Alright? And now I'm going to take it back to the original video. Alright guys, number 3 on my list is having a pair of hats. Having some hats can come in handy for whenever you're having a quote-unquote bad hair day, for everyone you don't even feel like doing your hair. A hat is an easy way to go to make your clothes or make your outfit look more stylish, or if you just feel like chilling and, like I said, you don't feel like doing your hair, hats come in handy. So pick up a few good hats to wear, and also like plain ones, like just a regular gray one. And you can also get these at Forever 21, Boohoo, ASOS, Lids, plenty of hat stores to go around. But it's a must-have that you should have hats in your wardrobe or in your closet for your everyday essentials, because you never know when you might want to wear one, or you never know when you might need one. Alright guys, number 4 on my list on men's everyday essentials, or what you guys need, is scent. So get you a nice Axe spray that goes from $2.93, I think they're like $3 at the most, at Walmart, because I mean, you always want to smell nice and you always want to smell good. And if you can't afford any high dollar cologne like Gucci, Versace, Polo, whichever you want to prefer, or whichever you want to wear, Axe is the good way to go if you want to smell nice or smell like something good. So get you some Axe. Number 5 on my list, guys, is having some type of jewelry or accessories to tie up your outfit. That could be either watches, that could be either necklaces, chains, whichever one you prefer, but always having a nice item to go with your outfits is always pretty cool. I prefer watches. If you guys don't know, you can get watches from anywhere from Walmart all the way to your local mall, to any store that I know of. So keep that in mind, getting some watches, jewelry, or whichever you prefer to go with your outfit. That's something that should be in every guy's closet. That's something that should be something that they want to wear every day, day to day, to keep up with the time and so forth. Number 6 on my list is always having a nice pair of dress shoes. I feel like dress shoes are important, especially for those days when you have business interviews, or you want to go to church, or any casual or event that you want to dress up for. A nice pair of Chelsea boots. will get you on that way. Chelsea boots to me are very, casual wear, very dress up if you need to be. So always keep in mind, get you a pair of Chelsea boots and or any other dress shoes that you prefer. But that should be in your everyday closet. That should be an essential that every guy should have, because you never know, you have an interview or you need to go to a job interview, you need to go to church, anything like that, a casual event and or so forth. Number 7 on my list on what every guy should need is also a pair of tennis shoes, whether that be Nikes, whether that be Jordan. A good pair of running shoes, a good pair of tennis shoes, just casual, just on a day-to-day. Get a neutral color like gray, black, or brown, something that can mix or go with anything that you got in your closet. So just like I said, you should always have a nice dress shoe. You should also have a nice tennis shoe that'll go with any of your outfits. And Nike and Jordans are my kind of favorite, whichever one you prefer, as I say again. Number 8 on my list is every guy should have a nice good old bomber's jacket. Every guy should have one of these jackets. These jackets come in handy for fall, winter, no matter what kind of weather you're in, because you never know what kind of weather it's going to bring you with. There's no winds, high winds, low winds, whatever winds. You always want to be prepared for that weather. And if bomber jackets aren't your style, get you a nice fleece jacket, a no-collar jacket, or even a hoodie jacket. That would be great. Alright guys, and number 9 on my list is having some type of chapstick, because lipsticks, Carmex, or any type of chapstick, because you shouldn't walk around with dry lips. I mean, who would want to? So always keeping a nice chapstick or anything like this in your pocket for you to, have some for your lips, so you won't be walking around with dry lips. Is essential to every guy and every person, and everyone should need that. I thought I had 10 items, but it looks like I don't. So I'm gonna have to stop the video right here. But I hope you guys like this video. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. List any other essentials that might be suggestive to this video or might be helpful to anybody else out there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.